You are looking at a 30-card fat pack of 2023 Donruss NASCAR. Little variety for my channel, as I mainly focus on baseball, football, wrestling. Let's begin. Kyle Larson, Casey Kane, Bill Elliott, Jeff Gordon, Kurt Busch, Ross Chastain, Justin Haley, Kyle Busch, Haley Deegan, Bubba Wallace, Brad Keselowski, Darrell Waltrip. Ooh, got a Jeff Gordon here. This is a gray parallel. Denny Hamlin, Harry Gant, Ty Gibbs, Unleashed, Alex Bowman, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Kevin Harvick, Kyle Larson once again. Oh, we have a Rusty Wallace royalty. Not numbered, but very nice. And we finish off with Tony Stewart and a Harrison Burton. This is a blue prism. All right, folks, there it is. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Have a great weekend.